Community level small millet processing is expected to have a significant impact on the rural economy. With access to processed small millets, rural families will be in a better position to benefit from the different aspects of the millet proposition. Using available machines and the process flow described in this manual, small millets can be processed with minimal drudgery to good quality staple products, that is millet rice. The usage of small millets among farming communities has seen a sharp decline due to multiple reasons. One of the primary reasons for this is the drudgery associated with manual processing of small millets. Most of the small millet processing work that was done manually earlier can now be done using machines. But in order to make best use of machines, operators and supervisors need to be trained on not just the changed process flow, but also on related aspects of material quality assessment, machine maintenance, and pest management. This manual is divided into 10 clips. The first one, that is this clip, introduces the manual and to some extent explains why this manual has been prepared. Two clips are focused on assessing quality of the material, input and output. Two clips are intended to provide insights into the process flow and the machines. Two clips have been prepared to describe the operations, pre-hulling and post-hulling. Two clips describe the steps to be taken in a community level small millet processing unit to manage pests and maintain and repair machines. The last clip summarizes the manual and identifies directions for further improvements. This manual provides a quick primer for operators, entrepreneurs, and community leaders to better assess the needs, to better plan, and to run a small millet processing unit within their community. The booming millet marketplace shows promise of good financial returns. The high nutritional value of millets and its availability in staple forms promises improved nutrition and associated health benefits. The cultivation of millets in the farms will improve the condition of the soil and reduce dependency on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc.